Hi friends, and welcome to my channel! Let's draw an off-road vehicle together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw one large circle and smaller one for each wheel. Draw the base with a small diagonal line, another diagonal line, horizontal line, a diagonal line, horizontal line, a diagonal line, horizontal one, another diagonal line, horizontal line, a vertical line, and another horizontal line. Draw the outline of the off-road vehicle with a vertical line, a diagonal line for the hood, a diagonal line for the front glass, horizontal line for the roof, and a vertical line for the rear. Draw the spare tire with a horizontal line, a vertical line, and a horizontal line. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Draw the mirror with a diagonal line, a vertical line, another diagonal line, and another vertical line. Draw the door with a diagonal line, horizontal line, a vertical line, horizontal line, and a vertical line. Now draw a horizontal line for the window, a vertical line, horizontal line, and a diagonal line. Draw a rectangle for the rear window and then a smaller rectangle. Draw a rectangle for the roof rack on the off-road vehicle's roof. And then draw 4 vertical lines inside it. Draw 2 diagonal lines for the hood. Draw a horizontal line for the edge of the rear window. Draw a rectangle for the headlight. Draw the handle like I do. Wow! Our off-road vehicles turned out great! Good job! Now let's do the colors. Use black for the wheels. Use red for the bodywork. Use purple for the windows. Use orange for the inside of the wheels and the headlight. And use green for the handle and the base of the off-road. Excellent! Our off-road vehicle is ready for a new adventure with you! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!